What social media platforms do you use to connect with your business associates? Do you know what social media platforms your business associates are even on? Well, you should know because that's how you communicate with them, right? How do you communicate with your potential employer, with your potential customer, with your potential client? How do you communicate with them? Well, keep watching and listening to TalentSmiths Lunch and Learn Live as I share with you 3 reliable ways to tell your story. You want to tell your story and you want to share it on the platform where your audience is. Mhm. Thanks for tuning in to TalentSmiths Lunch and Learn Live. I'm Janet Smith of TalentSmiths, and this is Lunch and Learn Live. TalentSmiths is a place where top paid compensation professionals go to find career advancement, and Lunch and Learn Live is a place where all professionals can come to get advancement for interview prep, career prep, and personal and professional development as well. And this month, we're talking about your personal brand, your business of one. Every single person is a business of one. Whatever your skill set is, whatever your expertise is, that's your business. That's your business of one. And you partner with other people with that value that you bring. So take a look at the lineup of events that has been happening in this month. This is week 4, and this is the week where we're going to share with you and show you 3 ways to tell your story. And we're going to do that over Instant Share. We're going to do that with scheduling. So if you've missed any of these weeks, definitely check out the replay. And you can get this lineup of events over on TalentSmiths Facebook business page so that you know when to watch and what to watch and what's coming up next. So today, of course, I want to share with you 3 ways that you can tell your story. 3 reliable ways that you can tell your story. So let me jump in on that here and let's get started so that I can give you your action steps because there's action that you're going to take on here. And the action that you're going to take and the action that you should take should be consistent. Consistency is key to staying top of mind and tip of tongue of your audience, of the people that you want to know about you. You want everyone to know what service you provide. You want everyone to know what solutions you offer. You want everyone to know what you sell. And you want everyone to know how you can help coach them, how you can help motivate them, whatever your specialty is, whatever your skill set is. Consistency is the key to getting that out there and getting it out there for your audience, whomever you're speaking to. And I want to share with you 3 steps to tell your story, the story of your life, the story with your life. So number 1 is an attention getting topic or subject or tagline, whatever you want to call it. Something that's going to grab the attention, and that's a vision statement that lets people know what you're about. Think about that when you're creating your content, when you're crafting your content, when you're putting your brand and your information out there for the world to see. That's number 1. And number 2 is relevant benefit. So you want to clearly state what benefit you offer so that people that are consuming your content, they know what you have to offer, they know how they can help you, and they know how you can help them, and they know the value that you bring to the table and the potential value that you could bring to the company, right? Number 3, you want to tell your story and you want to make it memorable. You don't want people to forget your name. You don't want people to forget who you are. You don't want people to forget that they've networked with you and they've had a conversation with you, but they don't remember you. You don't want that to happen. You want them to know who you are and to remember who you are and to know how to find you and how to get in touch with you as well. That's very important information that you want to share and show in the content that you create as well. So there's no need for you to post every single day. There's no need for you to be sitting in front of the computer every single day. You can schedule your created content instead of posting it daily. hmm And the content that we created last week, the sample content, I want to show you how to schedule it. So there's definitely a way that you can work smarter and not harder, because after all, you are a business of one, and you're a business of one even if you are in partnership with someone else, if you're an employee of someone else's, if you are a corporation, whatever the case may be, you yourself are a business of one. You may be in partnership with someone else in business, but you are still a business of one, because what you bring to the table, your value, is totally different than your partner's or someone else's. So remember that there's a way to work smarter and not harder in your business of one with the information that you want to share. So we're going to spread the content that we've created last week. If you've missed last week, you want to go and watch that. So we're going to share and spread that content that we've created last week using ScentShare, using the ScentShare application. Now, ScentShare is an app that you can use on your phone, and you can also use it on your computer. And I'm going to share my screen with you. I'm going to share my screen with you so that we can deep dive into ScentShare so that you can look at it a little bit closer and know more about it. So this is ScentShare. Let me clear everything off of the screen so that you can see it a little bit better, and I'll get the personal branding logo out of the screen so that you can, see every nook and cranny of my screen for you. I'll clear it away for you. Okay, so this is ScentShare. ScentShare is awesome if you already have different social media platforms that you use. You can connect those networks that you already have right in ScentShare. So if you see the icons on the left-hand side of the screen here, the very first one is where you will go to schedule a post, and that is where we are right now. And the second one is where you will go to set up your networks, all the networks that you have. And the third one is where you would add your text clips. What are text clips? Well, text clips are, it's verbiage that you would add to your post if it's something that you tell everyone all the time, like maybe your website information, or maybe your contact information, or maybe a special hashtag that you use, something that you use all the time. You can create it into a text clip. So you don't have to type it all the time. You can just add that text clip into your post. Those are so cool. And this next icon is where you manage all of your posts, all of the posts that you've saved, all of the posts that's in your history, everything that you've created, and everything that's pending. And this next post or icon is your user guide. That's where you get all the information and the reminders on how to use different features inside of ScentShare. And this very last one here is if you are a CBA, a ScentShare brand ambassador, you will have a dashboard, an affiliate dashboard that shows your affiliate activity. We are going to go into my network so that I can share with you and show you all the different networks that you can add. So if you're on Facebook, which you likely are, you will be able to add all of your groups, of course, your timeline, and then you can post to any pages that you have. You can attach those networks to your ScentShare account. And if you have Twitter accounts, you can attach those. You can attach your Instagram accounts here, and you can also attach your LinkedIn accounts. So any accounts that you attach here, you will be able to pre-schedule posts right into those accounts. So, so cool. So now let's go into managed posts. And this is a place where you have all of your graphics, you have your saved folders, and you have everything that is pending, that's scheduled, pre-scheduled already, and pending to post, and things that are in history that have already posted. So you see here all the different folders that I have for the different businesses and different activities that I have going on. So I'm in the July folder right now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the graphics that we created last week. So if I go to the upper right hand corner of my screen, and if I click on those three lines, you can upload photos. This is so cool, so that you can upload a bulk of photos. So I'm going to go to July, and I'm going to go to where I created those photos. And I'm just going to copy all of them, and I'm going to upload all 7 photos so quickly into my folder. That is one of my favorite features of SendShare is bulk photo upload. If you have 100 photos, you can quickly upload 100 photos into your SendShare account. And these are now ready to be posted. These are graphics that we created last week, just really quickly. This one says, make it a great day. And these are pictures that I took as well and quickly uploaded into Canva to create these graphics. And now we've taken those graphics that we created in Canva and we've uploaded them into SendShare. And this one says, what shall I remove from my to-do list? And this one says, look like someone sent me a gift. These are just graphics that I've created as an example to show you that you can use your own pictures when you're creating graphics in Canva. If you're creating a quote-like graphic like the ones that we have here, if you're a coach or a speaker and you want to create something motivational to post for the upcoming week, you can definitely do that. If you are a salesperson and you want to create graphics around the items that you sell, you can definitely do that as well. You can create any type of graphic, no matter who you are or what you do. You can create a graphic so that you can post something each day to stay in the forefront of the mind of your audience. Even if you just want to create some affirmation to people every day, which is a great thing to do, and kudos to you for doing that. You just want to create something that's going to put a smile on someone's face, or you just want to create an inspiring quote or an inspiring scripture and share that with someone each day, whether you're sharing it on social media within your story, your Facebook, or your Instagram, or even in an email or a text message, you can do that as well. So we're in SendShare, and if I click on this first picture, I can edit my post here. So I can edit my post, and I can also put words inside of this post to go along with the picture. So I can first state what the picture says, which it says, make it a great day today. So I can type that. And then right before that, if I want to have an attention grabbing statement, I could just say affirmation for the day, make it a great day today. And then I can type in here hashtag affirmation, hashtag great day, hashtag, well, hashtag TalentSmiths. And then I can say, I can put my contact information. You can put your contact information, talentsmiths.net, and save. So that is so cool. So if I want to schedule this post with this information, I can definitely do that. But I want to batch schedule. I want to schedule all 7 of the posts that I created. And so in order to do that, I want to show you how to do that really quickly. If you see the icons for each one of the graphics that we've created, there's a little empty box in the upper right hand corner. If you click on each of those boxes, it's going to put a check mark into each box. And once you check everything, if you click on the little box, the gray box with the 3 lines in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a list of options, and we want to go to the option that says Batch Post. And when you go to the option that says Batch Post, it's going to pull up everything that you've selected. So what you will do is you will create a post description for every single picture that you've created. I just created one for the first one, but you can create one for every single post that you create, because you at least want to have your contact information in there so that people can know how to reach you and get in touch with you. So what you want to do now is you want to decide when you're going to post this. So if we want to post this every day next week, we just want to click on the calendar so that we can go to the first day that we want. If we want to start on July 1st and we want to post each one a day, we want to first pick the time that we want to post it. And we can post it at 8:21 in the morning. You can click here and choose the hour, and you can choose the minute when you want to post it, and your time zone as well. And then you can choose when you want to post it. I want to post this every one day. I want to post this every day. So that means it's going to post one a day. And then you want to choose which network you want to post it on. So do you want to post it to your Facebook group? Do you want to post it to your timeline? Do you want to post it to your Twitter, your LinkedIn, your Instagram? Where do you want to post this? I'm going to choose this group right here, personalize your gifts VIP, is where I'm going to post this. And whenever you choose all of the networks that you want to post, just click apply interval, and then it will populate. And it's basically going to confirm and show you the dates that it's planning to post. So on July 1st, this is going to go out at 8:21. On July 2nd, this is going to go out at 8:21, and so on, all the way to the 7th day, since we had 7 different posts and we're posting one per day. And then what you need to do is you need to schedule that, and it will do its magic, and then it will let you know that all your posts have been scheduled. So cool. So you can come to pending, and then you can see those posts that you've scheduled that are now pending and ready to post. That is awesome. So in here you have your managed posts, which is where we just added and uploaded those pictures from our saved. But you can create all types of folders in here that will help you to share your story. That is so awesome. You can choose all types of photo. You can create all types of folders that will help you to share your story. That is so cool. And it's really amazing that you can do that with SenseShare. So let me get back in here and let you know that, like I said, you can create folders, but not only can you create folders, you can create subfolders as well, so that you can layer things inside of other things. And it really helps you to store and organize all of the posts that you want to create for the future, all of the posts that are going to help you to share your particular story. You can create folders titled whatever you want. If you have a folder titled major event, you can put any major event and just dump like a brainstorm in there just to hold that for future reference. You can put create a folder of lessons learned, a folder of how others can benefit, a folder for just all types of different events or services or recommendations or referrals, anything that you have that you want to store for later posting, which is so cool. And if you'd like to try Scent Share, you can try that at no cost for 30 days. I'll have the code for that in the comments. And I encourage you to subscribe to TalentSmith's YouTube channel because you'll also be able to get different tutorials to help you with the ins and outs of Scent Share. There's so much that you can do, and it's so amazing. So subscribe to TalentSmith's YouTube channel so that you can get in the know on all of those videos and use it like a pro. And you've got this. I know you do. You have got this. You can use Scent Share to schedule all of your posts so that you don't have to sit in front of the computer to schedule each day. You don't have to sit in front of the computer to think about what you want to create. You can create everything that you want to create in Canva, and then you can sit down at Scent Share, and then you can schedule all the posts that you want to schedule. You can schedule as far in advance as you like. Well, let me correct that. You can schedule as far in advance as your subscription allows. So more on that. If you have a pro account, which you can try it free for 30 days, then you can schedule 30 days in advance. So check out the link in the comments so that you can get to Ascension